Hi, and welcome to another edition of Installer's Corner. I'm Barry Day, Senior Product Specialist here at Organized Living. Today we're looking at the new wood shoe fence for Freedom Rail and Classica lines. Really has a nice look. I think you're going to like it. It's really easy to install. Let me show you how. Today we're going to be using our new wood shoe fence template. It works on 18, 24, 30, Hi, and welcome to another edition of Installer's Corner. I'm Barry Day, Senior Product Specialist here at Organized Living. Today we're looking at the new wood shoe fence for Freedom Rail and Classica lines. Really has a nice look. I think you're going to like it. It's really easy to install. Let me show you how. Today we're going to be using our new wood shoe fence template. It works on 18, 24, 30, and 36-inch shelves in Freedom Rail and Classica. To get started, we're going to align the template with the left side of the shelf and move it to the stop. This is a 30-inch shelf, so we're going to drill the first two holes, making sure we go all the way through the board. Then flip the template, use the reference hole with your drill bit to align for the last hole to be drilled on the right side of the shelf. Stand the shelf up, loosely install the first screw into the pre-drilled wood shoe fence. Continue by loosely installing the remaining screws, assuring that the shoe fence is aligned with the shelf before you tighten all three. As always, the shoe shelf installs by adding shelf pins 4 holes up higher in the back than in the front. Turn the rear shelf pins vertically so that the resort fittings fit over the top and rest on the front shelf pins. 18 and 24-inch shelves only require the use of one side of the template. Install the template on the left side of the shelf and drill the appropriate holes. Be sure to drill all the way through the shelf. Loosely install the screws into the pre-drilled wood shoe fence, align the shoe fence, and tighten the remaining screws. Install the shelves on angled wood shoe brackets using shelf locks. We really think you're going to like the new wood shoe fence. They're available in all the colors in Freedom Rail and Classica. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to call your dealer support person. And thanks for joining me on another episode of Installer's Corner.